The title of this is Don't Be a Druggy Baby. Don't be a druggy baby. Heroin is nothing to mess with, honey. Syringe is a big no-no, don't you know? Do ya? Do you want to be a beggar, a robber, a cheap thrill monster? Don't ya? Don't you want to have some marijuana? Don't do it. Don't do it, sweetie. Don't be a druggy baby. The first puff will be the never-ending start. Cough, cough. The first snort will only empty your pockets for a lifetime. The first injection will only expedite the death sentence above your head. And the risk of AIDS or HIV, is it worth it? Is it really? Celebrities make it look oh so glamorous. The partying lifestyle sounds so enticing. But look around, darling. Look around. Most of those who have used and abused are no longer here. No longer here. Do think before you take that first toxic drink, or any concoction under the sun that will make you phase out, pass out, and croak. Don't be a druggie, baby. Don't blow your candlelight out. Don't waste your time on such a high that will only become a demon in your eye. Thank you so much for joining me and for listening to a few of my writings, all of which are copyrighted. Until next time, I wish you a marvelous day. To be genuine, to show compassion, to be understanding, to bestow upon others kindness. This is what life is all about.